Now let's dive into an example in the editor. In this program, we'll use the reverse and sort methods to alter a list of animals. To start, we have a list of animals. At the end of the program, we want the list to be in reverse sorted order, which means we want all the animals in alphabetical order, but we want those that start with a letter closer to A at the end, and those that start with a letter closer to Z at the beginning. And we want to print the list at each stage to see the transition. So how should we start? Well, let's first print our list to show the starting values by just writing print animals. Great. Now let's use the sort method to put the list in alphabetical order. So I'll write animals.sort and then print animals to print the new list. So our list is almost in correct alphabetical order, but dog is coming before cat, which doesn't make sense because D comes after C in the alphabet. This is because the D in dog is capitalized. Let's change the dog value to use all lowercase letters before we use the sort method on the list. So I'll write animals at 2 equals animals at 2 dot lower. Now let's see if it works as it should. Perfect. The final step is to reverse the order of items so they're in reverse alphabetical order. So I'll write animals.reverse and then print the new list. Awesome. One note is that if I used the reverse method before the sort method, I would not get my items in reverse alphabetical order because the order would be reversed, but then the items put into alphabetical order, which negates what the reverse method previously did. Now it's your turn to use these additional list methods in Tracy exercises.